Hey there, everyone. I'm just in front of, we're just starting our virtual live open house here at 540 Candlestick Circle. So I'm going to flip this around and we are going to show you this house. So if you have any questions about it as well, you certainly can ask questions in the chat and we'll answer them for you. Just give me a second, and I apologize because this is the first time that we're doing a live walk or live open house. So I do apologize for any technical difficulties here, but let me see if I can turn this. I just need to flip this and then we will get going. I can't figure out how to flip it. That's the problem. So maybe I'll have to hold on to it. Oopsie. Okay, here we go. I think we've got this figured out now. Okay, so anyway, here we are in front of 540 Candlestick Circle. So what we're going to do is this is in Peel Region. This is in Mississauga, and as you know, it's been shut down here to do open houses here in Peel Region. So we are doing a virtual open house here. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take you into the house, walk you around, and show you everything that's in here, just like you would in an open house if you're coming to tour it. And you can ask any questions, you can put them in the chat, and then I'll show you how you can get information about this property as well, okay? So as you can see, we do have a guaranteed sale program that we offer. So buy this home, I'll buy yours. So what that means, I'll explain that to you in a bit. But anyway, let's come inside and I'll show you around a little bit here. So follow me. Okay, so the address here, as I said, it's 540 Candlestick Circle. We are we're in Peel Region, we're in Mississauga, and the location is fantastic. We're actually near, very close to Square One, Highway 10 and Eglinton area, and I'll tell you how you can get some information about that. So come inside. This is a townhouse. It's a freehold. There are no maintenance fees other than the road fee, which is very reasonable. And what that covers is the snow removal and covers the maintenance outside. So it's very reasonable and probably will never go up too high anyway. So come on in here. Hopefully we can do some justice with this video. So we have a two-piece bathroom over here. So really large foyer here. More than enough room for everybody to take off their shoes and get ready when they're going out. And then over here is basically your closet. Your coat closet is here with mirror doors and a really funky looking two-piece bathroom in there as well. So we'll take you in there and you can see what that looks like. Okay, so come into the main floor. This unit is approximately 2,400 square feet, so more than enough room in here. All the room sizes, the good thing about it is all the room sizes are really large principal rooms. So nice big eat-in kitchen. Well, this part, the cooking part of it, all the appliances will stay here. And it's a great size, so if you like to cook, and there's more than one of you that like to cook, it's a great size to be able to do that. And then flooring here you can see is ceramic. And then over in this area here, we have bar stools, so you can sit here and eat, or there's enough room for a dining room table here. And hardwood floors, which are really nice. So they're not laminate or engineered hardwood. They are hardwood floor, 3/4 inch hardwood flooring. And here obviously is the living room, great room, sitting room, whatever you would like to call it. It's all open concept, which is great. So you could set this up however you like. And this house is really in fantastic shape. So we rarely see properties like this where they're in, super clean and great condition like this. I have some information I'm going to give to you in a minute about the area as well. So here is the walkout to the yard. I'm just going to hold this open for you. Hopefully you can be able to see that. But it's a really cute little space, and it's absolutely maintenance free out there, so there's no grass to cut or anything, but there's a lot of room to sit out there. So if you do like to entertain, this is a great house for that, because of the open concept and because of everything, you know, being right here, easily accessible. Sometimes we see in a lot of the townhouses where you have to go up the stairs, then you don't really have a space that you can go outside and just entertain, whereas here you're going right from the kitchen right outside, which is great. So if you have any, like I said earlier, if you have any questions, just type them in there and we're certainly happy to answer those for you. We're gonna go upstairs first, and then we'll come back down to the basement as well. So follow me, flowers, follow me upstairs. So a nice neutral color scheme here as well, which is great. So if you want to change it, you can go ahead, but there's nothing here limiting you, so you can go with whatever color scheme you want. So this come into this room. It's a really nice room. The setup in here is great. It is a bedroom. There is closets here, so let me show you. They don't have it set up as a bedroom, but closet on this side. So small walk-in closet on this side, and then on this side as well, we have another closet. So you have two closets in this bedroom, two nice big windows and the little fireplace there. And then also the bathroom. So there is a walk-in bathroom here. So you can see Jack and Jill style. So you've got the sink, two-piece in here. And then you've got the tub in here, and then the other bathroom. So both of the bedrooms on this level have the Jack and Jill, which is great. So you can shut that off. You have the the shower and the tub in between. So another really good sized bedroom here. And again, really neutral color scheme. So whatever you want to do in here, it's a you know, you can do whatever you like. The colors are great, so you can do this however you like. There's two closets in this bedroom as well. So his and her closets. Closet on this side, closet in this side. Actually, what I should tell you is just, you'll see that we've got some closets open and stuff. So if you're thinking of selling and you're concerned about COVID, we do have ways that we can make sure that we minimize the risk to you. This is one of them, by doing the live video streams instead of you having to have people come in your house. Everybody who comes in will wear masks, gloves, and we keep it very safe as well. We want to make sure that everybody is well taken care of as well. So come through here. This is the staircase that we had come up. So on here you'll see the laundry room. So laundry room on this level, which is super convenient. You're not up and down a number of floors. We're going to go up another level here. Follow me. Okay, so here we go, master bedroom. Master bedroom with a really cool little what do you call this thing? A deck. A really cool deck here as well, so you can sit out here, have a coffee in the morning, which is really cool. Okay, so let's go through here, and again, another bathroom here. So you've got two closets, his and her closets in here as well. Closet, and then there's a smaller walk-in closet here as well. And then the bathroom. So, bathroom, you've got the jacuzzi tub up here, steam shower as well. There's a shower here. So, nice big bathroom here that you can utilize as well. So and this part is the master bedroom, as I said. So his and her closets there, and then we'll go through to the other side there. Okay. Linen closet over here. Okay. And this would be the fourth bedroom. This bedroom also has a bathroom as well attached to it. So in here you've got a 4-piece bathroom as well. So I'll step out of the way and you can take a look what that looks like. And so there is, on the other side, there is a shower tub on this side. So it is a complete 4-piece bathroom up here in this bedroom. So it's a really cool shape here. So I think like for a teenage girl or something, this would be awesome because you could decorate it really really nicely, and they could have like kind of like their own little space here, you know, bed, their own little space there. I think there's just a ton that you could do with this room. And your closet is here. So it's a good sized closet. It's quite deep. So it's a good sized closet as well. So we're going to go all the way down to the basement now. So follow me down to the basement. It's completely finished as well, professionally done, and it looks great. So we do have information on the school districts and everything that's in this area. So I'll show you, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but basically this report here would give you everything that's in the area. So transit, the walk score, which is great, all the schools that are in the area, and as well as if you want to get the EQAO scores, we can give you that as well. Tells you all the parks, tells you where the public transit is. It's very close here, so it's just actually a few steps away. Public transit, the hub at Square One, where you can pretty much get anywhere that you need to go. So Square One's pretty much walking distance here, I think. It's probably about a 15-minute walk, but it's fairly close. If you want to drive, it's probably about a 5-minute drive from here. And 407, 401, 403, all of those are very close as well. So I guess for anyone who's looking for, needs to work from home, this would be a great home as well. Actually, that last bedroom that we just went in would be a great home office as well. You've got the bathroom there. That would be a great space to work from home, but there's no shortage of room here to work from home for sure. So if you need that, this would be a good house for that as well. So let's go downstairs. Okay, so it's all finished down here. It looks absolutely fantastic. It does it justice as well as it looks here. But as you'll see, so basically this is just your utility room in here. So there is some room to keep all your things that you need to keep in here. And then let's go over here to this spot. It's completely finished, all neutral. And one big open space, which is great because the last thing you want is all little walls around and breaking everything up. But I mean, you can set this up however you want. Movie room, yoga studio, gym, children's playroom would be great for that as well. So very nicely done, hot lights. The flooring's nice and neutral. You could work with any color scheme down here that you wanted to, but as you can see, you know, the walls are just a brand new canvas that you can do whatever you like here. So let's go upstairs. I'll give you some information about what you can do if you like this house, and if you do want to book a private showing, we can talk about that as well. Okay, so if you want to book a private showing at this property, we can set that up for you. All you have to do is give us a call. The telephone number to call us at is 416-467-8627. We do have information that we can provide to you if you want to get that as well. We can send that to you by email. We can have a conversation with you on the phone as well. If you have questions about the house, obviously, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help, and we can send you any of this information. So basically, all the information on the property is on here. We have a full detailed report that we can send you that will give you all the information that you need. The asking price here is $950,000. The closing date is flexible, so we could work around probably whatever you need for that. Everything will stay here, so all of the appliances will stay. The shelving, I have to get this straight, because the shelving upstairs, actually if you want information about that, I'll let you know, because off the top of my head, I'm not 100% sure which one is staying and which one isn't, but almost everything that you see here will stay, like all the appliances and all of that. So like I said, we can also give you information, send you a full report on the neighborhood. We're at, as I mentioned, we're at Highway 10 in Eglinton area, so very close to Square One, 403, 407, QEW, Port Credit GO station is not far. It's probably about less than a 10-minute drive. The Cooksville GO station is even closer. You've got all the highways here, public transit here, the hub at Square One as well. So again, if you have any questions about this property, feel free to give me a call. Again, that number is 416-467-8627. And if you want to find out more about the guaranteed sale, so if you're moving up and buying this property we will guarantee the sale of your property or we'll buy it. So you don't have to worry about selling your property. You can come in, make an offer here, and we'll buy your property from you. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Hopefully this went well. If you can give us some feedback, that would be awesome. It is the first time that we're doing this live stream virtual open house. So we would really love to get some feedback from you on it, on how to improve it or what would be more useful in terms of information. So type it into the chat. My email address is info@sandycasella.com. You can also email me there. That would be great. And thanks everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope this was helpful for you.